This film visually tells the story of the efforts of Gazans to live and work under conditions of siege and documents the horrific Israeli military attack. It is also about the struggle of these two women to maintain humanity, humor, and hope, and to find some sense of normality in a world that is anything but normal. Through the lens of the camera, we see different sides of Gaza: the border, the lives of farmers and fishermen, the impact of military attack, and the effort to pick up shattered lives and maintain humanity.